Minasan, konnichiwa. This week we're learning Days of the Week in Japanese. You'll remember last term when you were at home doing remote learning, we watched the Hungry Caterpillar video, and the Hungry Caterpillar in Japanese, Harapeko Aomushi, and he ate different things on different days of the week. So we talked a lot about what foods he ate, but this time round we're talking about the days that he ate them on. All right, so as you can see on your screen, there are 7 days of the week in Japanese, same as English, and in actual fact, some of them correspond to English. Some of them are the same as English. Like the one right here is Sunday. It's called Nichiyobi. The Nichi is the bit that's highlighted in yellow. You can see Nichi. And that actually means sun. So Sunday is sun day in both Japanese and English, which is kind of cool. Cool coincidence. You can see the rest of them are all natural elements, things from nature. We've got the moon, fire, water, wood, gold, and soil or dirt. So let's have a look at Monday. Nichiyobi was Sunday, sun day, literally Nichi day. Monday is called Getsu Yobi. They all end in Yobi. I wonder if you can guess what Yobi must mean then, if they all end in Yobi. This one is Getsu Yobi. And that Getsu that you can see, the yellow highlighted one there, Getsu means moon. So Monday in Japanese is Moon Day, which is actually the same as English. That's why Monday is called Monday, because it comes from moon. Monday, Moon Day. Lots of European languages, Italian, French, they all start with lune, lundi or lunedi, because Monday is Moon Day over there as well, and lune sounds like lunar, doesn't it? Things to do with the moon. So the same in lots of cultures. Monday is Moon Day. Let's go down to Tuesday. Tuesday is called Kayobi. Kayobi, and it's Fire Day. My silly way of remembering that used to be Tuesday. Tuesday is the day of the week when you go to school in your car with the engine on fire, hanging out the window as you're streaming along the road on your way to school with flames coming out the front of your car. Car, of course we don't really, do we? But car sounds like English car, and it's to remind you that it's fire day, because you're in your car with fire. And which day of the week is that? It's Tuesday. Kayobi. Yep, and the main letter, ka, is the bit that means fire. Yobi, have you worked out yet? Means day. Fire day. Let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday is called Suiyobi. Sui means water. Suiyobi. And it has a Chinese character, a Chinese picture word in it. You can see there that looks like it's got splash marks all over it, like splashing water. Suiyobi is Wednesday. Sui sounds a little bit like swimming. And what do you need to go swimming? Water, obviously. So sui for Wednesday, water day. And they both start with a W, don't they? Wednesday and water. So that's another way you can remember. Suiyobi. Suiyobi for swimming. Let's have a look at Thursday. Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi. The main part, moku, is also a Chinese character. We call them kanji. This kanji picture looks like a tree. Looks like a little bit like a Christmas tree, because moku means timber from a tree. So it's wooden day. Thursday is wooden day. Moku yobi. Which is different from English, because Thursday in English comes from some Norse god, like the Avengers. He's called Thor. Thor's day. So different origins in English. But in Japanese, it's moku. Moku yobi is wood, wooden day. And moku, for me, always sounds like the sound of moku, 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 knocking, actually someone knocking on wood. Moku, 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 moku. So mokuyobi is timber day, wood day. Friday, this is a word you actually know already. It's called kinyobi. King, of course, means gold. Like kingiro is gold colour, isn't it? King. And easy to remember because the king in fairy tales is always the one with all the gold, isn't he? So king yobi is gold day. Fit for a king. And the last one, doyobi. Doyobi is dirt day, which is Saturday. So I always used to remember Saturday was the day that you didn't have to wear your school uniform. You could go and get really dirty and it wouldn't matter. Have a good dig in your garden on doyobi because you didn't need to stay clean necessarily in your school uniform. So do is Saturday, doyobi. And when you look at the Chinese character, kind of looks like a cross in the ground where someone has buried treasure. So at the bottom is the dirt, the do, and then there's a cross put there maybe by pirates to show where the treasure's buried. Where do you bury treasure? In dirt. So do yobi. Do starts with a D, so does dirt. Doyobi is dirt day. Now we're going to have a listen to a song, and you can play it again and again and again and see if you can remember this song and sing along. It's pretty catchy. I'm sure you'll be able to do it. So, days of the week. There you go, a song for you to practice and trying to remember which ones are which day of the week. Now it's time to go and do some writing and practice reading and remembering how to say each of the days of the week and what they mean. Enjoy!